What's up? It's our first blizzard and it's so much snow. And there's a beacon. No, it's because
The snow melts in your face. Cyclops is jealous.
the thing is falling off our face.
This is the good girl waiting for us.
Where's your gloves, honey?
I know, I'll get it. I'm just so hot right now. Here.
Oh my god.
It's her toy right there. Marie is diving.
Run. Cyclops, pull! Ow! I keep falling! I got that on camera. Okay, keep going. I'm walking. It's so hard to walk. Hey guys,
Ready? Foot brake, brake, brake! Maybe
Go down that hill. Ready?
this hill is not high. Ready?
3, 2, 1. Ruined it. I'm gonna start over.
Out. Good, good, good.
Cardio.
No, we go together.
What do you mean together?
Let's. Ready?
Wait, I wanna go like that too.
I got foot pressure.
That's funny.
Ready? Put the camera properly. Get in the thing first. Properly.
So close to dying as well.
Okay, let's go to the. Okay, let's go that way now.
We are turning and I did it.
Put your feet. Put your feet in the middle. off your hand. Do you need this glove?
No, I'm good. It's just because when I'm in the snow, it pulls it.
Wow!
Look at it. It's a heart.
Let's go, hurry! You okay?
No, because the thorns are here.
Forget it. Let's not do that. It's too dangerous for you.
The thorns.
You're gonna start there?
Ate Jen,
What?
I want to go home tonight.
How you gonna go home? You don't have a car. Car's stuck.
You need to clean it.
How are we gonna clean? I cleaned the car, but look how much to drive.
We'll call the person to do it.
You can ask mommy to pick you up because we can't get our car out.